Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL 5. In this video I'll show you how to unlock and lift up the hood. In the beginning, take a look under the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Pull it and the hood is unlocked. Pull it again to unlock the second lock. Now you can approach the hood and lift it up. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.